Welcome to another exciting and fun quiz to test your knowledge. What year did the first season of Survivor premiere? – 2000. Who was the winner of the first season of Survivor? Richard Hatch. Which island was the location for Survivor? Borneo. Pulau Tiga. What is the title of the host of Survivor? Jeff Probst. How many seasons of Survivor have aired as of October 2023? – 45. Thanks for playing, see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.